Dear students, let's continue our fourth lesson, nutrition in living organism. Let's study page number 30, role of nutrients and effects of their deficiency on plants. So role means their function. We are going to study nutrients function, and if they are not present, if they are absent, what will be the effects on plant if these elements are not present. So nitrogen's function is, it is an important component of protein. Protein's important component is nitrogen. Chlorophyll's important component is nitrogen, and cytoplasm's important component is nitrogen. If lack of nitrogen causes retarded, stunted growth. Retarded, stunted growth means less growth. Growth will not take place. If nitrogen deficiency is there, less nitrogen is there, plants growth will not takes place, and such growth is called retarded and stunted. Growth will stop, so it is called retarded and stunted growth. Yellowing of leaves. Leaves become yellow due to the deficiency of nitrogen. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is important for conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Function of phosphorus is it converts the light energy into chemical energy. Deficiency of phosphorus causes early leaf fall, late flowers, and slow growth of roots. Okay, if phosphorus is absent, if less phosphorus is there, then leaf will fall early, flower will come late, and slow growth will take place. Roots growth will be slow. Potassium is also necessary. Potassium is necessary for metabolic activity. Metabolic activity means when food converts into energy, it is called metabolism. So for metabolic activity, potassium is very necessary. If potassium is less, if deficiency is there, then plant stem will be weak. Wilting of leaves. Wilting means leaves will dry. Failure to produce carbohydrates. Plants will not produce carbohydrate. Magnesium is necessary for the production of chlorophyll. If magnesium deficiency is there, the slow growth will take place, a retarded growth will be takes place, and yellowing of leaf will be takes place. Iron is also necessary. Iron's function is production of chlorophyll. If iron is absent, yellowing of leaves takes place. Magnesium is necessary for the production of hormones. In every organism, hormones are there. Hormones are chemical substances, and these hormones is very necessary, and hormones will be absent if magnesium is not in the plant. Production of hormones takes place due to the manganese. Function of manganese is to produce plant hormones, and hormones, if manganese is not there, retarded growth means growth will stop. Spotted leaves. On leaves you will get to see spots. Zinc is also important. Zinc is important for hormones, for the production of hormones and their intermediates. So if zinc is less, then retarded growth will take place. Yellowing of leaves takes place. Students, you should observe your surroundings plants, your gardens plants, and you should diagnose means you should identify which deficiency that plant is having. If you are having roses, zui, such if garden is there at your home, you have to check which type of deficiency is there in your plant. So we are going to study new concept, that is nutrition in animals. We get nutrients from food. So next concept is nutrition in animals. We get nutrition from food. These nutrients supplied through blood. To our body, nutrients are supplied through blood to all the body parts. So food must be converted into simple soluble substances. So there are nutrition steps are there, and these steps involves ingestion, digestion, absorption of food, assimilation. So these are the steps in the nutrition. Nutrition steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. What is meant by ingestion? Food is taken into the blood is called ingestion. In the food is taken into the mouth is called ingestion. Digestion means conversion of food into the simple soluble substance. When complex food get converts into soluble substance, it is called digestion. Absorption. The absorption means transfer of soluble food in the Blood, transfer of soluble food in the blood is called absorption. Assimilation means utilization of absorbed food by cells. Cells absorb the simple soluble food, it is called assimilation. Okay, these are the steps in the nutrition. Ingestion is there. Ingestion means egestion means removal of waste product and undigested food from the body. Waste product are there in our body, undigested part of food is there in our body, it get expelled by our body. Okay, we remove this waste food from our body, it is called egestion. Swallowing means chewing, and okay, chewing with the help of our teeth, and teeth we used to chew the food and we convert that food into a soft ball. Sucking means absorbing. Okay, so what type of nutrition is there of cow? Cow used to eat food in hurry, and after that she used to sit in a shade, and she used to bring the food back in her mouth, and again she chewed it finely, and such process is called rumination. Cow ruminates. Ruminate means bringing food in the mouth again and chewing it finely. Frog, what is the type of nutrition in frog? Frog eat insects. Frog swallows the insects. Okay, so we are going to study the types of nutrition. First type is holozoic nutrition. Types of nutrition. First type is holozoic nutrition. We observe amoeba. In previous classes we have studied about amoeba. It is one-celled organism. Amoeba is a one-celled organism. Okay, and we cannot see amoeba with our naked eyes because it has only one cell. It is a microscopic. It does not have a mouth. Okay, amazing, it doesn't have mouth, but it can take food by pseudopodia. Okay, pseudopodia means false legs. Amoeba can take food by any part of the body. Okay, how? Let's see. Amoeba surrounds the food particle from all the sides and take into the cell. Okay, it doesn't have mouth. Amoeba surrounds the food particle and then it takes into the body. Then it digests the food with the help of enzymes. In amoeba's body, enzymes are there. Amoeba digest the food with the help of enzymes. Undigested food is left behind. Amoeba also removes undigested part of the food from his body. Amoeba moves forward and forward with the help of pseudopodia. Amoeba has false legs. Pseudopodia. P is silent. Pseudopodia. And with the help of pseudopodia, amoeba moves forward and forward. In unicellular animals like amoeba, euglena, steps of nutrition occur in their unicellular body. All the nutrition steps occurs in unicellular body. Let's study about insect. In what type of nutrition is insect? In insect, to obtain food or follow, we are going to study insects follow which type of nutrition. Insect like cockroach, grasshoppers, they have jaw like mouth part. Okay, they have jaw like mouth part. Butterflies suck the food with the tube like part, it is called proboscis. Butterflies suck the food with the help of tube like part, it is called proboscis. Mosquitoes, bedbugs use needles like mouth to suck with the help of tube like part. It's mosquitoes and bed bugs have a tube like mouth part, tube like mouth part. Okay, they use this tube like mouth part to suck the blood or other type of food. Students, can you say what food type is of wolf, parrot, and chameleon? Okay, human, deer, lion. Okay, so you have to observe in your surrounding. So Holozoic nutrition. In Holozoic nutrition can be classified in herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Again, Holozoic nutrition is divided into herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. What is herbivorous? Animal whose food is leaves, fruits, seed. Such animals are called herbivorous. Animals which consume parts of trees which eat parts of trees. Such animal types are called herbivorous. Okay, granivorous means the animals which eat grains are called granivorous. For frugivorous means animals which eat fruits are called frugivorous. Okay, carnivorous animals are there. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivorous animals. Okay, prey and predators are there. So predators, they used to catch prey. Okay, but prey like goat, okay, goat, it is depend on plants. So indirectly these carnivores are also, indirectly they are depend upon plants. So omnivorous animals obtain their food from both plants and animals. Such types of animals are called omnivorous. Monkeys omnivorous, chimpanzees omnivorous, humans are omnivorous. Scavengers are animals which obtain their food from dead bodies of other animals. Vulture, crow, hyena, these are the scavengers. They obtain their food from dead bodies. Decomposers are there, microbes, fungi, bacteria. Okay, they obtain their food by decomposing the dead and decaying matter. They decompose the dead matter and obtain their food. Okay, let's study about saprozoic nutrition. Saprozoic nutrition. Some insects obtain food by absorbing liquid organic material from the dead bodies of other animals. Such nutrition is called saprozoic. Saprozoic means some insects obtain food by absorbing liquid material from the dead bodies. Such type of nutrition is called saprozoic. Saprozoic nutrition is found in butterflies, ants and spiders. Some animals have parasitic type of nutrition. Parasitic means what? These parasitic animals obtain food from animals body. Okay, animals, they sit on surface of the animal's body and they suck the nutrition from other animals. Such type of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Tick is a parasitic nutrition. Tapeworm, in our intestine, in our stomach, tapeworm, roundworms are there. This tapeworm and roundworms are parasitic nutrition. They are having parasitic nutrition. So these worms live in our body and other organisms to obtain their nutrition. So students, I have taught you today role of nutrients and effects of their deficiency in the plants, and we have studied nutrition in animals in okay, and types of nutrition we have studied. In types of nutrition we have studied holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition, amoeba comes in holozoic nutrition. Okay, so, and we have studied holozoic nutrition is found in herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous, scavengers and decomposers. We have studied saprozoic nutrition. Houseflies, ants and spiders, they uh, live on dead bodies and suck their food. They are saprozoic nutrition. We have studied parasitic nutrition also, and we have studied parasitic in tapeworm and roundworm. They live in our body. If they are in the body and obtaining their nutrition, it is called endoparasitic, and if they are sitting on the surface of the surface of other animals body, they are called ectoparasitic. If it is, if they are on the body, it is called ectoparasitic. If they are inside the body, it is called endoparasitic. So students, it's my request that you should read lesson thoroughly. So on page number 32, one animal's picture is there. The ant eater is found in Central and South America. The ant eater means the animal who eat insects is ants. It is called ant eater, and this ant eater animal found in Central and South America. The bobcat or Udmanzar. The bobcat or Udmanzar is an ant-eating animal found in India. So bobcat, we can say bobcat or we can say Udmanzar. This type of animal, they eat the ants. Okay, so you can see pictures of such animals on your screen or on internet. Read lesson Try to solve exercise. Thank you very much for observing this video. Bye.